We changing today, G?
No, fresh oil.
Fresh oil on a 2022 Ford Explorer ST.
Oil change.
Shout out. What's your gamer tag?
Bimbo.
The Bimbo, bro. Sponsor us. We represent a Bimbo here, bro. This is the oil we got today. So we're using some Mobile One extended performance. We got the oil. Shout out Jesus, bro. Shout out Jesus. I mean Zytrocious. See if this shit works, G. Spot me, right?
I'm gonna release them.
Where that?
I'm about to find it.
Oh, wait. Do we gotta take out the cover?
No.
No? I'll put my phone down there. So we gotta now take these pins off right here, guys. These plastic things. You gotta get these. Now we gotta focus on this one. Let me get. Oh shit. See that one, G? That one. This. See if that one works. What is that?
6
6-Aroni?
6mm. I have a 7 right here.
Let's see.
Looks pretty good.
Oh yeah, we betting today, boys. Wait, what size is it then?
7mm.
7mm, guys.
At least.
Minimum. And now put the flat back over. And then put this shit over. Drain plug, right, G?
Drain plug, yep.
That drain plug. You see that drain action going on.
Simple flick of the wrist.
It should be very... Let's see that drainage porridge.
The money shot?
Look at the flick of the wrist.
Let's see what we got. Just pull it out.
Yes, so.
How are you? Bam.
Let's get that money shot. Woo!
Sheesh.
You got yourself dirty or not?
No, it's perfect.
Look at that. Damn, is that dark or what?
No, it's normal.
That's normal?
For how many miles? 6?
I did like 4,000.
Oh, it's not that bad.
I feel like it's bad, bro. That shit dark as fuck.
No, like, it's
See
not
that?
terrible.
It is kind of translucent. Bro, it looks just like... Dang, look at that porridge.
It's like if this would have been black, this rag.
Which one? Oh,
It
really?
would have been black.
So it's kind of healthy, right?
So it's not that bad. It's normal use.
I did it earlier.
You got this filter.
So you got the filter? Where is it at? I can't even reach it.
So grab that tool.
Let's grab this tool. Right in there?
Yep, right.
Yeah.
Smooth.
See the oil drip? Where's his oil? Oh, it's still dripping, G.
That's fine.
Is that fine?
Yeah, all that nasty stuff out.
Dang. So we want to drain it first, and then you want to take out the filter, right?
If you take this out right now, it'll be oil coming out. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
shit.
Residual.
And what kind of socket you use for that one?
Put a link below, but I got 27mm Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. You know, the little special.
Oh yeah, that
Special tool.
that little special tool.
Makes life easier.
Make that life easier, baby.
This is the
Ew.
house. This is what houses it.
Wait, don't we need a new O-ring? Or does it come with it?
It should come with it. Remember the last time?
Yeah. Let me get that ready. And this is the new filter, right? Sheesh.
Similar?
Yeah, almost. That thing is very dark. Damn. And here are the new filters.
Ford Motor Company.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to have the plastic thing?
This doesn't look like Ford. Made in Malaysia.
Really? They give me that cheap stuff?
Where's that? Where's it made in?
I don't know.
Mexico or some shit?
Mexico?
Maybe. But it's all good.
It's fine.
Yep, this is the official one. Because the other one was at Ford Motor Co. You don't see it.
Oh, really?
don't
So this is the official fish.
It's official.
But you don't need the plastic, right?
Yeah, we're going to replace them.
I bet.
Wants to grab these
See
old
what
ones.
we do it.
See? Soak
Shit,
it.
my bad.
Feel it out.
Just put it out like that.
Yeah, I don't need this old one. It's already warm. So, take it out.
Shit, bro.
Take this out. This is a pain. We'll save that for last.
Save that for last.
Alright, let's get some new ones.
Which one? The O-rings? What do you call them?
Yep, O-rings.
O-rings. Just look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
You should always replace them.
Look at my man G, bro.
Good to go for my barber. Shout out to my barber.
Shout out to my boy G's barber.
I use my oily fingers to lubricate as much as I could. First one.
How many rings?
3 in total. 2 big ones.
Does it show you where to go?
Yeah, it's a big ass hole.
Oh, the big red. It shows you the red thing.
Yeah.
What happens if you break one of these things? Can you replace it?
Yes and no. If you do break this new one, use the old one as a last resort.
Really?
Now, this is notorious.
What is it?
Small O-ring. It goes on top of here.
On top of the ring?
Yeah.
What if you don't have it?
I mean, I don't think it's gonna do good things. But you see how this is tight in this hole?
Yeah.
It's not fitting this.
So
Boom, boom. You have to stretch this out. I mean, I've dealt with this with you. Remember
Really?
that? We have to use these tools. But that's what I bought this for. It's not for this purpose.
Ah, but like,
This
what tool is for it?
It should help.
What tool is this?
Snap ring pliers. These are not snap rings. These are O-rings. The idea is, for snap rings, you want them to close the circle.
Yeah.
We're doing the opposite. We're trying to open the circle. So, in theory, the right one, I can pull it out. You see?
But you don't want to break it though. You know?
No, it's not gonna go out
not
this
gonna-
far. No.
It can fling out too.
Now playing Put It Out by Fat Nick on
Siri,
Apple
I'm so
Music.
sorry.
What the fuck?
You can always
Hey,
ask
Siri,
me to
shut
switch
up.
to a different.
I bet.
You see? So, if you can feel confident, we can put this on there like this. Shkaploink, right?
Shapoink.
You think we can? 'Cause if I remove this, it's gonna be hard to get out.
Oh really?
It's gonna be hard to put in.
Hard to put in.
Yes. What do you think? Yes or no? Too bad. I made the
got it.
decision for you. It might just fling out, honestly.
Couple.
We use our hands, right, Angel?
Yeah.
We're not gonna show you, but believe us.
You have to get that old. You see that guy? I don't know if you see that little rubber thing. You have to replace that little rubber thing.
So
Again.
easy.
Easy. Wait, does it have to go a certain way or not?
I don't think so. Let's just go like that. This is universal. Just like that. Just drop it in. Get it started with your hands.
Yeah.
Let's see, it's catching.
Just
There
like
we
that.
go.
Nice and tidy.
And then get your tool.
And what kind of sock are you using again?
The 27 mil.
47 mil?
27.
27 mil, guys. How tight does it have to be?
Not monkey tight, not like super crazy. Just like snug.
Just enough.
Just snug. Watch. I like tightening it as hard as I can through the tip. There's no leverage.
Yeah.
If I tighten it from here, I'm really gonna put too much torque. So I'm not multiplying whatever. I'm just using my wrist, and then.
Is that just like common knowledge?
Not really. See?
Yeah, I see.
Here. I should not need any more.
Now let's check on the filter. Fan plug.
You want light? You want a lamp?
Nah, you can see. It
Alright.
should be done, right?
Yeah, it's done.
Wait, it's still dripping.
That's fine. Dribble.
Wait, why?
If it's dribbling, it's fine. Yeah, it's gonna be like anything else. All right, time to close it up. We're going outside. Put it back in. Twist it back in place. Righty tighty.
Ready, tidy?
Yep. How's that? It's done, I think.
And just like that?
Yep. Well, righty tighty. Oh, it's more. There we go. Until it snaps.
Till it snaps. If
Yep.
you heard that.
You hear that? No more. Just out the way.
Alright, we're gonna put that flap.
Put it back in. All right. Get the exhaust.
Fuck. I think it's this one, right?
For the sides.
Let me give you one.
Move.
Oh shit, I forgot you stepped. Oh shit. I mean, here. Here's one. You don't need no gloves, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. If you want to eat food, I like eating food with no grease and dirt.
Shit.
That's up to you. Just 2 fasteners? No, those
the
black
fa-
things. Alrighty.
I don't know where my.
Where's the screwdriver? Here? Alright.
Oh, those are here, right? I'm gonna say.
Yeah, that's side. There's supposed to be 3, but
Yeah.
someone lost one.
Yeah. Wait, mine did not fit.
Take it out.
Mine did not fit.
Oh, take it out.
Oh shit! I'm missing one.
I see it. Underneath this thing. Underneath this thing. You see it?
Frick. Yep.
Put that in first.
This one right here.
And then put this piece in there.
Put this thing in here.
Alright, we're done with this piece.
Ah,
Alright, we're done with the bottom.
we're done with the bottom.
Oh, can you tighten this up?
Oh yeah.
Or you
I'll
want
do
me?
the man's work. This is the man's job right here. Oh shit.
Oh man, that's
Actually,
embarrassing.
you guys didn't see that. Nasty.
They see the shaking hands.
Oh shit.
Like, who?
You don't want a crazy type, ladies and gentlemen.
How tight?
Clean filter 5.2.
5.2 liter, guys.
And it says for all variants.
For all variants, for all engines, no matter what. Why ChatGPT lie, bro?
I mean, if I were you, I'd put the whole thing. But
Really? I'll do 5 half. You think that'll fit?
I might have to use another one.
You might use a skinny boy. Am I tightening it? I am, right?
Nope, lefty loose, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
See?
Oh shit.
Slap it.
Yeah. So I need one of these, bro. So I can just go up in there.
I'm guessing is here.
Look at that drippage.
If it was the big one, I just poured the whole thing in there, but I don't want this yellow
You want
thing
this
to move.
bill? I think I need some more coolant too, right? We'll kind of run low.
Like a tooch.
Kind of run low right there. I used the 5W30, right, G?
You should.
That mobile one, baby.
You had the OEM, but you didn't want to use it.
Nah, I don't want. I want to use that mobile one. There we go, ladies and gentlemen.
It's the first one.
That's the first one. That's 5 quarts. 5.2, guys.
Well, a little bit less, but 5 because you know. That's what this one.
Hopefully, it's running good.
Look at him go. Look at these wheels. There we go. 21 inch?
How long do we let it rest for?
For 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes, guys. You hear that?
Gives us time to what? Clean up.
It gives us time to clean up. And then, yeah. And we're done, right? Right, basically? I'll follow up in the next clip. Damn, that looks dark, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, the other one had water in it.
What do you guys think?
You see how liquid it is? It's warm.
Is it warm, right?
Yeah, it's like water. It's like water with no water.
So this is just clean oil, right?
Just used oil.
Why do you put it right here, G?
This is my 5-gallon barrel. I bring it to auto parts stores to get it
Auto parts.
recycled.
You get money out of it or not?
No,
You just
it's
recycle.
recycled, bro.
So how do they recycle? They just clean it up again and reuse oil?
No, they burn it.
Oh shit.
That's why with less water, the better.
Shit. So you're doing that like the most
Economical way.
economical way? Because some people just dump it in the ground, right?
Yeah, it's not safe. Don't do it.
Damn, bro. We don't recommend, guys. You just
Look
type
out,
it out,
look
bro.
out for the environment, bro.
Hey, bro. Shout out G. Zytrocious. Now we're done, guys. Simple as that. You just do it halfway. Slam it. Should be we gotta wait 10 minutes. We're gonna check the dipstick, and then we should be all done. All right, fine. Oh my God. Look at this, man. Now what's next, G? What's next YouTube video?
Wait, gotta do 2 more trucks.
You got 2 more trucks,
That's
2 more
150.
babies.
V8
Dang.
and EcoBoost.
You got the, what is this, crew cab and RCSB? Now is this the V8?
That's the V8.
Ew, it's the Eco Poo.
This is the tiny.
This is the Eco Poo. Nah,
It's not
G.
even 3.5.
Bro, what is this?
It's a disgrace.
Is the work truck? Or what?
Terrible, bro. It's a fleet truck.
So coming up,
They let
right?
me
To be
down.
continued?
No, it's gone away.
Oh shit, it's gone.
Now I'm trying to do one last oil change before I get rid of it because it's cheap,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure anymore.
One last one, Chief. What do you want to get? The 5.0 in this baby truck?
Yeah, no,
The 5.0 baby truck? Dang. Alright, bro. See you, bro.